Southbound on 85, we're getting numerous calls.
1256, 1020. Robert Zebra Baker 9932, RZB 9932. It's on a red Camaro.
Comes back to a Jacqueline Pruitt out of Dougherty County, southbound negative 29.
I'm on Banks at 85. It has a black hood, not racing stripe, so.
The subject should be a black male, approximately 5'5", short hair, wearing a black shirt, black jacket, black jeans. Female is wearing black tights and a black Wingstop shirt. It's going to be a Taylor Jones, 19 years of age, female. The middle subject should be a Cameron subject.
I'm behind that Camaro going down Bank Road. I'm passing the over trying to think I did it. Alright, we're coming up on Ellis still.
On Banks. 10-4 approaching Ellis on Banks.
Yeah, I don't think it's stopping. We're only going 50 though. Coming on the Hollywood Road, still on Banks. Speed 60, passing Ponderosa Trace, coming up on 54. Light traffic.
Previous 36 miles per hour passing Ponderosa, light traffic.
Passing Long Road, speed 60, no traffic.
Passing one. Already no stop plate. 256, 1080.
Yeah, he's not stopping. We're fixing to take a right on 54, it looks like. Headed back towards McDonough Road. Yep, right on 54. Speeds climbing to 70, coming up on McDonough Road, no traffic. Radio, can you patch us? I believe I got a deputy behind me. We're coming up McDonough Road, speed 70, no traffic.
Yes, sir.
Can you advise if he actually was able to take the female from Wingstop? Taking a left on McDonough Road. Well, Mike, clear the pit.
That's 10-4, you can.
Alright, we're coming up on the third quarter speeds. Speeds climbing 95. Coming up on Felton Drive, speeds 80, no traffic.
The one out there, Bill, unit alcohol, sir.
Is that you behind me? Radio coming up on Zoe Court, speeds 85, no traffic.
Looking down the road past the Zoe Court. Speed's about 96. Light traffic. Hey, it's 30, but we got a second call from Wingstop just now advising the race mirror just pulled back into the parking lot. Well, we're 1080 with a wreck mirror, myself and the Fayetteville unit. Hey, sir. We're still big down the road, coming up on Terra Road. If you can go ahead and contact Clayton County. Speed about 73, light traffic. 15 to 55, go to Wingstop, see what information you can get. Well, he's on the wrong side of the roadway, back on the right side of the roadway, in and out of traffic, he's on the road, coming up on English Road, he's about 52, still light traffic. Speed, now over 100, about 105. Down the road, coming up Mile Post Road.
He's blacking out.
I'm trying to catch you all. Well, we're still on McDonald Road, speeds at about 90, coming up to Chelsea Drive. Radio, have you contacted Great County already?
He just hit a median. He's probably going to go flat here shortly.
It's 2115 to 55, being cleared for. Very good. Looks like they turned into the high school here, middle school.